Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Hey, I don't know what I'm making. I'm hanging out with all the pros down here in sunny Florida at CJ's, and we got a lot of leftovers. This is the last recipe of the day. I don't know what I'm going to make. I'm going to go raid CJ's refrigerator. Let's go. You gonna come with me now? Come on. That's some good groceries.
No, we gotta be 100% candid.
100% candid?
100%. So if you walk to the fridge and go, you gotta be kidding me. He wants it all.
We
going to the fridge?
Let's go.
Let's go to the fridge. What's up, Nicole?
Let's see what we got in here. Andy, what came first, chicken or the egg? Who knows? Bro, we got a chicken sandwich going on here.
Let's do it.
Raiding CJ's. Got some pretty decent leftovers. They could have left me with a little bit better shape, but I got chicken breast. Can't go wrong with chicken breast. Loaf of bread. I don't know why they didn't use a loaf of bread. Shreddy letty. I think I seen some tomatoes. With cilantro. Don't want the cilantro, but tomato. Let me get 2 of those. Guys, this is perfect. Perfect for a chicken sandwich. Let's do this. Griddle. Pre-warm your griddle. Go ahead and have that ready. Chicken breast, it has not been filleted, but I am going to fillet this to make it cook just a little bit faster. A little pro tip from old Hussey to you. Powder salt. A little pep. Everybody needs a little pep. Oh, a little garlic powder too. A little garlic powder. Like I said, griddle, pre-warmed. Got it on a low heat. I'm gonna go right into the middle. You wanna hear a little bit of sizzle? You don't want that. You don't want a crazy sizzle, but you want that. That's music right there. You hear it? Yep, I got it. All right. So while that's happening, we're gonna make a little aioli. What is an aioli? It's a fancy word for a mayonnaise that you put ingredients in. Okay, that's all it is. Got a little Duke's mayonnaise. State law. I'm gonna do spicy. I like spicy. A little spicy mayo aioli. There it is. They're gonna think you're a pro. Get her bread ready. What is this? Italian loaf. This is probably Betty's. Betty probably got this, didn't use it, more than likely. Want to slice the end off. Our chicken breast. I think we'll just try to, you want to try to eyeball that. You see that out there? I got that calibrated eye, Andy. I got that calibrated eye. So about right there. That's way too little, Hussey. It's way too little.
Take 2.
My calibrated eye has failed me. It's done that a time or two. But that's okay. Todd used something like this earlier with his Big Mac hot dogs, and I thought, you know, I got to do that as well. Ode to Todd. This is some shreddy letty that somebody had. I want to church this up a little bit, okay? I want to take our Roma tomato, just give that a slice. And we're going to put our tomatoes right there. We'll take a little bit of this Italian. I never had how to say that. Betty, how do you say this? Tutto Italiano, right? You always say say things weird and wrong. Let's put a little bit of that in there. Okay? Oil. Make some oil. Everybody loves when I say oil. We're gonna do a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. Alright? We're just gonna mix this up. Need a little bit of tang.
Hey, speaking of tang, your garlic, well, just your aioli.
Aioli. Right?
That's just hot mayo, right?
No. I gotta make a sound. It's an aioli.
Okay, well, how about we add a little something to actually make it, which is garlic.
Yeah, garlic.
Okay.
Okay.
However,
Okay.
this let's see, this was like the remnants of what I have left in.
There's like nothing in there hardly.
There's enough.
I'm gonna cook this chicken.
It'll do.
And
And a little the juice from these pepperoncinis.
you know what? I actually like that. Is that all you could come up with?
All
you had in your refrigerator?
I thought it would be good, so at the very least,
it.
the Lord did bless it.
I'm gonna flip this chicken right here. As you can see, we don't really need much more time. Those are going to be done
Now,
after CJ kind of sabotages me. Is this some kind of sabotage I'm witnessing here?
you're welcome.
Okay, all right. Next thing you know, he's going to put heavy whipping cream in it and a lot of it.
I'm a sucker for maple syrup, but this is looking really good and I don't want to ruin it. So I'm gonna back out with my maple syrup.
Are you really?
Yeah, we're not gonna ruin it. Yeah. But if you have a spoon, we could do like a little
toast?
Yeah, a little
Okay,
taste of maple syrup together.
Bring it of maple syrup? Is that what we do? It's like taking cough syrup when I was a kid. You get the big spoon. Cheers. Is this the real stuff?
Oh, that's good. All right. Keep up the good work, Hussey.
I appreciate you, kind sir. I want to add a little bit of, since CJ brought this to me, a little bit of brininess. It's gonna be my vinegar. Say how I was gonna make a vinaigrette. We're just gonna leave that right there. Let's get our bread ready. Got some butter. You can do a little butter too if you want. But we got this mayonnaise on hand, so why not, right? State law, Duke's mayonnaise. Let's go to the griddle. Let's get these toasty. We're gonna give these another flipsy on this other side. Just like that. Those are good. Another couple minutes. Perfect. Exactly what we want. Nice toasty bread. Lay that onto our cutting board. Beautiful. So beautiful. Right. Oh, you.
You got a whole purple onion not being put to use.
Purple onion?
You better
Red onion.
I think they.
Purple! It's purple, people.
I bought red onion.
Can you add this to your little...
That would be pretty good, wouldn't it?
What did you call
You
it?
want to chop it for me?
Shreddy letty?
Yeah. Shreddy letty.
Sure. I can use
Jeez
some
Louise.
with
How much are we going to put in there, lady?
this. Listen, this is for your presentation. Just leave it
Presentation. Okay. All right.
there. And a little more Tutto Italiano. I'm gonna...
A little bit more. Thank you so much, friend. Take our aioli. Just slather. You know what would be good on this? Some cheese?
About some Bachan.
Or, oh, yeah, why not a little Italiano with
Dipping sauce. It's not- you can go light on it if you want.
dipping sauce? I tell you what I'm going to do, Jeremy.
Tell me.
I'm going to, maybe I'll sauce it since I already put the aioli on. A little glaze. Some cheese would be great. Could somebody go see if they got some cheese in the refrigerator too?
We'll go look.
Go look in the neighbors too. They're there. I'm just going to sauce just a little bit of this.
Polish after American.
Chef's choice. You're a chef.
No, your
Which
choice,
one?
man. You're a cook.
Which one?
You're a cook.
All right. Let's do shredded. Shredded. This right here looks like it's been in the fridge for a little bit. We're going to use it. You can thank me later, CJ. I need to get a dome. Love these big domes right here. It's one of my most favorite accessories right here. A little bit of water.
This looks fantastic, and I don't want to mess with perfection. It could use a little crunch.
I mean,
A little
you could
crunch.
I mean, you could put pork rind on a dang flip flop and make it pretty dang good. You know what I'm saying?
Have you put pork rind on a flip flop?
I mean,
You could.
I was a little wild back in the day. Just saying.
I told a story off camera a second ago about stone soup.
Yeah. What is stone soup?
You never heard of stone soup?
No,
It's wonderful.
I've heard a lot of stuff.
And honestly, that's what's going on this whole week we're filming. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, we're doing collabs on a whole bunch of videos. I wanted to add a little crunch, a little texture.
Yeah.
Stone soup is where everyone contributes just a little bit. So even if you start with a stone in a pot of boiling water, but someone grabs some onion and someone grabs a little bit of chicken and someone grabs a little bit of garlic.
Bro, you went deep with this.
You know, I was just trying.
These chicken breasts over here are gonna turn into nothing if we keep on him-hawing around. That cheese looks beautiful though. Guarantee that.
You gotta hurry, you're on the move.
Nah, well, by the time you get over here. Woo, alrighty. Y'all, we just really made something from literally nothing. Back home, we might say, dang it, boys and girls. That's some good groceries. Give it a slice right there. See what that cross section for nothing looks fantastic. Let's give it a try. I like the purple onions.
Come on.
Purple
Red onions.
It works.
I told you.
The crunch from the onion,
You shouldn't tell him.
the little vinaigrette that we made, it is
right.
money.
I'm always right.
Nah, dude.
It's pretty good. I hope you like it.
Need some maple syrup.
Little cheese.
It does look like it could use a little maple syrup.
Little cheesiness.
It's funny, you had no idea all the fun stuff that was left in the fridge.
It was.
It's like stone soup, we all came together.
we all came.
It's
Oh,
like
you
Captain
should.
Planet. Our
Don't
powers
TJ.
combined.
Oh,
We
you
all came
should.
together as one. It was a beautiful moment. Hey, I really appreciate you watching. Appreciate your support. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a like and also a comment. We'd love to interact with you. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. I'm Matt Hussey. You guys are the Griddle Pros. Come on, say it along with me.
Those are some good
We're the
groceries.
We'll see you next time, y'all. Thank you.
I was a mess.